How to sign up for a new account on AWIN. In this video tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create a new account on AWIN. Open up your web browser first and then click on the search bar to search for AWIN. Hit enter. Now click on the first link right here. So you can explore its plans. So what I'm going to do first is click on this login option if you already have an account. But if you're new, click on get started. Now you can choose what kind of account you want to have. So let's say if I'm a publisher, I'm going to sign up to AWIN. If you are an Instagram influencer, you can just sign up here, or if you are just earning money with affiliate marketing, you can join AWIN. Click on it, then just go ahead and enter your company name. Then tax residency, just choose where you want, choose your location. Enter your first name, then enter your last name, confirm your email address. Once you have confirmed your email address, you're going to have to create a password for your account. So what I'm going to do is just create a random password for now, and you're going to have to select up to 12 characters. So I'm just going to create a random password, then enter the same password down below. Once you have done that, you can just click on next step. Now just choose the promotional type. So let's say content. Choose your primary region. Then choose your promotional type. Then click on next step. Select all of these promotional types. So from here, click on next step, and then you're going to have to choose your promotional space where you want to promote it, and then verify your email. You should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.